Jessie!
Shut up! Oh my God! My surprise.
I'm your surprise kitten.
It's not possible. Oh my God!
Okay, I'm gonna start crying.
Oh my God, what? Tell me.
My family is also Italian.
Yes, I know.
Your great-grandparents
Yes.
lived about a block that way.
Yeah.
My great-grandparents lived about a block that way.
Shut up. So you think they knew each other?
Of course they knew each other. So, nice Italian boy marries a nice Irish girl.
Yeah.
And lived at 190 Elizabeth Street.
That is bizarre. My great-grandma lived on 250 Elizabeth Street. That's literally down the block that way.
I know. Our great-grandparents
I wish
didn't just
we could ask
live
them.
close to each other, but they knew each other. They
They
had to have known
probably
each
did.
other.
I'm sure that they did.
They had to have.
It's almost not a surprise. Why in the world would we have met and like become besties in 6 hours?
It was fate.